even with audio engineers. Lyrical jihad when I spray up in the booth, and I keep on dropping bombs. This shit sounding like Beirut. If Soundcloud was the Yankees, you could call me Babe Ruth. It feel like January 6th, the way we mopping in the coupe. Fuck a label, fuck a sellout, rather flat line. I'm Jason Williams, white boy running bass lines. She call me daddy like a father, I don't make time. Stuck up in your mind like canaries in a coal mine. Fuck a label, fuck a sellout, rather flat line. I'm Jason Williams, white boy running bass lines. She call me daddy like a father, I don't make time. Stuck up in your mind like canaries in a coal mine. Desert eagle in the regal running suicides. Black tires, white walls, no apartheid. We venture capital, you looking like you part-time. Bars leave you breathless like they carbon monoxide. Open your eyes for the snakes in disguise. It be the ones that rock with you who assist your demise. Your assistant design for basic bitches and guys. I'm just trying to be a lord in a world full of flies.